Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to Costa Rica. So y'all, this is going to be a tour of our private villa. We are private room number 20. Come on in. Okay, so first, wait, let me show y'all first. So this is the staircase to get to our private villa. Give them a little spin. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So first, what we got over here, we got a doorbell and all. So that lets us know that someone is at the gate trying to get in. So first, we got our gate key. Welcome. All right, y'all. So this is our private entrance. So we came through the main gate, and now we have a nice garden area. In addition to a garden, we have a lovely pond here with plenty of beautiful lilies and I'm sure many a wildlife. Follow me. All right, welcome to the front. Before we explore the room, we're going to visit some of our outdoor area first. Come along. So this is a private little trail that you can go. It just leads you over to the pond area that we just came back from. Down these stairs here. Another private little sitting area. However, there are no seats. All right, and then this staircase over here, it actually leads you to our outside area. However, we're gonna save that for last. Let's go inside now. I feel real bougie and fancy this morning. Okay, let's go. So this is our, okay, so let me start here. Oh, these are our outside lights. That's crazy because all last night we was in the dark, so we could not find the lights, but that's our outside lights. We have a big royalty, honey, a big knocker. All right, come on in. Stay on me, stay on me, stay on me. Let's not show too much. Let's not show too much. Hola again. Okay, so let me put the keys down. Don't mind the mess. We have lived in this room for the night. However, we're still going to give you guys a lovely room tour. So first, we're going to start here with our bedroom area. As you can see, you have a beautiful canopy bed. And again, we are in the rainforest in Costa Rica. So you can see that the bed comes with these lovely shears to block out the bugs. Now, we have not had any issues with bugs. Actually, it's been fairly nice here. But just in case you need them, this is here. Okay. Now, one thing you may notice, we have mirrors all around. Come on, Antonio. Get in there so they can see who I'm here with. All right. Okay. Go lay on the bed. Go lay on the bed. Okay, and here, a man's dream. Let's cut it on, have a television there, right up on the bed. Tony will watch basketball all night. And through this way, we have a nice little bench sitting area, a nice table, and then over here, when we just want to be left alone, we have our own seats here. You can stay over there, I'm here. So this is giving me a real castle-like feel, you know, royalty. Royalty, honey. Oh, one thing we also just noticed, so at night, besides the lights, they also give you candles. Like we have candles and stuff at the front door that we can light when we go out. And then we got matches to light our own candles. We have complimentary coffee. Free. And then here, because again, we are in the rainforest, we have cedar. We have all cedar closets. I don't know if this one, oh yes, this one opens. Where we have hung our things, but this repels the bugs away. So you don't have to worry about the bugs getting into your clothing. Okay. Let's take them into the wash. You know what? We never opened that either. What is that?
The water heater.
Oh, okay. Water heater. All right. So this is a little washroom. And we know it's a little tight right now, or a little dark in here. It's because we're trying to save the best for last. So this is our washroom, standard washroom with sink and toilet and a stand-in shower. And then all of the finest luxuries. We have beautiful toiletry here that are compliments of the resorts. And then they even made lovely shell toilet paper. Isn't that adorable? All right, so this next room we call the living room. Step into the living room, all the lights on. So this is our living space where we have another couch and a desk area. And then again, on the back side of those other cabinets, flip it on around, we have more closet space. And then we also have a refrigerator and a safe with a stocked mini bar. Okay. Now, let's get to the fancy part. Okay, this is our indoor-outdoor garden tub. Tonio took a bath in there last night, so it's rather dirty. All right, so remember the outdoor space that we just took you to. You can see it there, our private outdoor sitting area. So you can sit here and you can take a bath in the jets amongst the rainforest. Okay, we're gonna have to call a maid to come clean that because you was dirty yesterday. Okay.
I'm sorry, I was the only one in there.
Now I might have to change the settings because it's probably gonna get pretty bright. Let's see. Yes. All right. So now this right here, this makes it worth all the money. Look like it came. All right. Oh, it's open. All right, step outside into our private pool area and patio. First, let's go this way first. So again, another outdoor sitting area here. And then this part we have not even been in. We just got here yesterday, y'all. Okay. We just got here last night and we have not even explored all of this. We thought we could go out this way, but this is like a little staircase, and I think this is like maintenance side, because through the bushes over there you can see like ladders and stuff, so I think maintenance do all that. But anyway, this is our indoor, I guess you call it a cabana area. And now follow me. A look at the bedroom from the outdoors. It's hot. It's hot. Another sitting area, and then when you come through here, you can see the lovely garden tub from out here as well. Okay. And now the pool. Let me take my shoes off. Well, this is our own private pool area here. This is about 5 feet. The water is nice. This is our own infinity pool, so when you get in and swim, the water rushes over the edge. And then remember earlier where I showed y'all the staircase? So that staircase from our outdoor entrance, it comes up here to the pool. So if we wanted to have guests come over to our private luxury villa, we can just tell them to come to the back. They don't even have to come inside. Just come to the back to the pool party. And then this, you guys, is a view of beautiful Costa Rica. Oh my God, look at the birds. Get the birds. Give them mountains. Give them ocean. All right, y'all, so that is it. Thank you for coming along to our luxury room tour here. Oh, the name of this hotel is Villa Calitas. We are in Jaco, Costa Rica. Yes, and it is beautiful, y'all. It's gorgeous here. So I know we feeling real fancy right now and talking real proper like, but seriously though, all jokes aside, again, this is a beautiful place. Highly recommended. Let me just get y'all to swing around one more time. Let me get y'all to swing around.
You gotta get over, you gotta fight.
Listen, I told you earlier, I said give them ocean, give them mountains. Did you give them? Did you give them? Well, they got it. They got it now. They got it now. So let me just give y'all to swing around and show y'all an outside view. Yes, honey, yes. Yes. So, thank y'all for watching, and we will see y'all on the next video. And be sure to tune in, because of course we have a Costa Rica vlog coming. Of course we have a vlog coming, so stay tuned. We'll see y'all. Don't look like that.